In this video, I will be showing you how to replace the door interlock on a hot point washer dryer. Remember to work safely by disconnecting the appliance before attempting any repair. Open the door and the door interlock is located here. I need to remove the door seal from the cabinet to get to the interlock. Use a small flat blade screwdriver to get to the clip that holds the seal in place, but be careful not to scratch the cabinet. Then lift the seal off the cabinet. I can now take out the two screws in the door interlock. You have to tilt the interlock slightly to get it out from the cabinet. The new interlock comes with instructions, as it may be different, but this one is the same, so a straight fit. Unplug the wiring connections and remove. Refit the wiring connections into the new interlock. Place back into the cabinet and refit the two screws. I can now fit the seal back over the frame and refit the clip back on. Now shut the door. Door interlock on a hot point washer dryer done. Watch our other helpful videos and subscribe to our channel.